Grandpa. It's really a little bit hot.
Those poor people, the uncle and those poor elderly must be jumping on the floor. No. Hit the deck! Hit the deck! I can remember Dad used to do that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Sally. You know, it'd be funny, you'd probably see Sally. Probably somebody as old as Grandpa probably come out with a Tommy gun and say, hey,
I went to a football game in Dallas. The guy had one of those cowbells behind me, driving me nuts the whole game. People were telling him, shut up! Yeah. Oh, if you're a football, you're going to love the team. I'm telling you, you see who it was? I'm wearing an Eagles shirt. I'm not a Cowboys fan, I'm an Eagles fan.
I'm a Jets fan.
So am I.
Well, maybe you didn't like the Patriots 4 years ago.
We have some interesting.
Yeah, we got the whole gang of friends in our house. He's a Jets fan. He's a Jets fan. My other son's a Tampa Bay fan, and my other son's a Cowboys fan.
I grew up to be a Miami fan.
Oh, really? Miami back then was a good team. Under Don Shula, he was a great coach.
I used to be a big
We
fan.
told them we weren't going to
Did you?
adopt them unless they swung over to.
Oops.
Oh.
What are you going?
He said, I'm not going to adopt a kid.
Hey, if you have didn't do no games, I would say that it would be like.
We made you convert them.
Sure.
We saved you.
We rescued you from yourself.
Baseball?
I'm not cool with the Sox. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, they.
I'm not really a baseball fan. I mean, Yankees.
We love our football.
We love football. Your Sox beat the Yankees, what, 9 times this year already?
Yeah.
They come up in first place yet, or are they still in second?
They're back to second.
Down to second. Yeah, I went to the Yankees old timers, my kids. The Yankees old timers last weekend.
In the news.
I've never been there before. It's beautiful.
They tell me it's beautiful.
That was Grand Hall. You come in and they got all the ball players, the old ball players, up on these big banners. It's really pretty. And then they got like kiosks throughout the whole
Disturbia.
thing. Really nice.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta get tickets to go to the Patriots game. And when you go to that stadium, Flash Stadium.
Yeah.
It is.
What, Gillette?
Yeah. I've seen it on TV. I haven't been into it, but I've seen it on TV. Now that's what, only an hour from here?
From where you are?
Yeah. Half? Oh wow.
Yeah, it's the direction. That's what I was saying.
Oh, okay. What's the name?
Yeah, Gillette.
Gillette Stadium, yeah.
I'll have to be wearing my number 6 there.
That's all right. People do it all the time.
I know your daughter's better breed.
Yeah.
That guy's got a good arm, that's for sure.
It's a class act too. I mean, he is.
He really is.
They don't get it.
We just don't like it.
Can't stand up.
You know, he's.
Can't stand up. I'll tell you what though, he knows how to put a team together.
He does
He's always thinking of 3 years from now.
Yeah.
You know, and he's always planning for 3 years from now. Actually, he's brilliant.
Boy, you do know your football, don't
Oh,
you?
she knows it better than I do, that's for sure.
He's not a class act.
No, he's not.
He's strictly business though, actually.
That's all he is. That's one of the. That's one of the reasons why none of the players can talk to him, have interviews and stuff. his strict rule.
Which is smart, actually.
It is.
They say the brightest thing.
Everything runs through it. Let it run off.
What I like about Brady, he's a team player. It's not about money with him.
No,
He
it's
likes
about the
money.
game. He's not involved in any of the fray, you know, he stays, you're saying he thinks stupid, he just does his job.
You're lucky to see him on one commercial, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.